Good morning, everyone. So today's topic is perimeter, area, and volume. So first of all, we will try to understand what perimeter is. The perimeter is the length of the outline of the shape. To find the perimeter of a rectangle or square, you have to add the length of all the four sides. X is in this case the length of the rectangle, while Y is the width of the rectangle. The perimeter P is always considered. For example, we will take an example of a rectangular park. So we have to find the boundary of that rectangular part. What will we do? We will try to find out by measuring all sides of the park. Then we have to find the total distance around the edges of that park. That is known as the perimeter. So, a closed figure bounded by straight lines is called a rectilinear figure. The perimeter of the rectilinear figure is obtained by adding the length of all the sides. For example, perimeter of the figure. The name of the figure is A, B, C, D. So how will we find the perimeter of that figure? By adding all the sides. How will we add? We will add the length of AB, then BC, then CD and DA. The combination of all the sides will find the perimeter of that rectilinear figure. So how to find the perimeter of rectangle? Consider a rectangle having length and breadth, because rectangle has both sides same, opposite sides same, not all the four sides same. So the perimeter of a rectangle is length plus breadth plus another length and another breadth. That means if we add L plus B plus L plus B, that is length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. That means we have two lengths and two breadth. So in short form, 2L plus 2B. So to make it more convenient, we will take two sides out and we will add length and its breadth, which means 2 multiplied by its length plus breadth. So this is the way how we find the perimeter of the rectangle. For example, we have a rectangle with 50 centimeters length and 35 centimeters its breadth. So how to find the perimeter of the rectangle? Let us add length and breadth. As we all know that in rectangle we have two length and we have two breadth. So first we will add one length and one breadth. That makes 50 plus 35, that is 85. But being two sides, we will multiply it with 2. That 2 multiplied by 85 is equivalent to 170 centimeters. So the perimeter of this rectangular figure is 170 centimeters. So 2L plus B. So this is the formula for finding the rectangular figures. Then is how to find the perimeter of a square. While finding perimeter of square, all the sides of the square are equal. Consider a square of side x. then the perimeter of the square will be x plus x plus x plus x, which means 4 sides, 4x, or 4 sides. Now let's take an example. We have each side 5 centimeters. So the perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by 5. 4 being its sides, and the length of one side is 5. So we have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are equal, and the length of one side is 5 centimeters. So we will multiply 4 sides with 5 centimeters. That is 4 multiplied by 5 is 20 centimeters. Or if you have to find the side of the square, you have been given the total length of the square, all the sides of the squares, and you have to find the one side of the square. So how will you find one side of the square? You will simply divide with 4, because square has all the sides equal and the sides are 4. So 20 divided by 4 is 5. That means each side has 5 centimeter as its length. Then how to find the perimeter of a triangle? Simply, for finding the perimeter of a triangle is the sum of the length of all its 3 sides. We don't have any particular formula for this, so we have to add all the 3 sides. So perimeter of the triangle is sum of the length of its sides. So the one side of triangle is 2 centimeter, another side is 3 centimeter, and third side is 4 centimeter. When we combine all the 3 sides, which makes 9 centimeter. Therefore, the length of its side is 9 centimeters. Area of rectangle. For measuring area, we take a unit square as the standard unit. A square unit is a square of unit side, such as 1 centimeter, 1 meter, or 1 kilometer, depending on the area being measured. If the area to be measured is small, unit square of side 1 centimeter is more appropriate. If the area is very large, unit square of 1 kilometer is preferred. The area of the unit square of side 1 centimeter is 1 square centimeter. It is generally written as 1 square centimeter. The area of the unit square of side 1 meter is 1 square meter. The area of the unit square of side 1 kilometer is 1 square kilometer. While calculating the area of a rectangle, we must express its length and breadth in the same unit. If both the length and breadth are expressed in centimeters, the area is in centimeter square. If both are expressed in meter, the area is in meter square. For example, take unit square of side 1 centimeter. Place the unit square side by side over the rectangle ABCD. So as to cover it completely, you will see that 15 unit squares completely cover the rectangle. How to find area of rectangle? So, whenever we have to find the area of the rectangle, we multiply length with its breadth. So you can see here we have a rectangular figure with 5 centimeter its length and 3 centimeter as its breadth. So we will multiply length with its breadth. So length being 6 centimeters and breadth being 3 centimeters, 6 multiplied by 3 is equivalent to 18 square centimeters. So this is the way how to find the area of the rectangle. Then is area of a square. How to find the area of the square? A square is a special case of a rectangle whose all the sides are equal. In a square, length is equivalent to breadth is equivalent to side because all the sides are equal. Therefore, area of the square is side multiplied by side. The area of a square is expressed in square centimeters, square meters or square kilometers, depending on the unit of the side of the square is expressed in. For example, we have a square with 4 centimeters its length and 4 centimeters as its breadth. So what will we do? We will do side multiplied by side. So 4 centimeters multiplied by 4 centimeters is equivalent to 16 square centimeters. How to find volume of cubes and cuboids? A cuboid or a cube is a 3-dimensional figure with 6 rectilinear faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Some examples of cuboids are brick, matchbox and shoebox. A cube is a special type of cuboid whose length, breadth, height are equal. A cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices, same as cuboid. Each face of the cube is a square, but in cuboid they have rectangular faces. Some examples of cube are chalk box, ice cubes and dice. You can see this is 3-dimensional. How it is 3-dimensional? Because it has height, breadth and length. So how to calculate cube or cuboid? A cube of side 1 unit is known as a unit cube. It is used as the standard unit of volume. This 1 unit can be 1 mm, 1 centimeter or 1 meter. To find the volume of cuboidal or the cubical block or any other block made of unit cubes, we need to count the number of unit cubes that form the brick. This number represents the volume of the block. Volume is always measured in cubic units. This is made up of 6 cubes, each having side of length 1 centimeter. So the volume of the cuboidal block is 6 centimeters. By using formula to calculate the volume of cube and cuboid, following formulas are used. Volume of a cuboid, length into breadth into height. And volume of the cube is again breadth into length into height, or being all the sides same, you can write side into side into side. Thank you so much.